This video is about having an access to your learning portal, getting access to your practices and also your class notes. So let's get started. Please log on to hunarly.com and on top right you will see profile. Click on the profile and you can see all your courses assigned for which you have registered. Click on the course and you can see the course overview. Click on the portal tab, which will then show you the class notes and the practices. When you click on any of them, you can see the learning portal opening up, and these are the practices that will be assigned to you. If I click on an important note, which will be generally on your 1.1, here you can see that as we insist all the time to understand that practices is all about building the stamina of the student. It should not be considered like a test. That gives a freedom to the student to absorb what's told in the class and implement during their practice exercises. Remember that they should do their practices on the same week after the class is taken, and consider this as an opportunity to work out on the different variety of questions around that topic. Go through the answer explanation below every question. When it goes wrong, we mention about what is the right answer and why it is so. And most important thing, at Hunarly we follow a mastery learning method, which means that if a child is not able to achieve something, it's only because, not to doubt on their ability, but it's only because of the step-by-step instructions that he or she needs. So please make sure that if the child does not get above 60% in their practices, please make them reattempt the practice. And then finally, for the classes to be more effective, if there are any questions, kindly take a screenshot and send it across to us on WhatsApp. We will make sure that the teacher explains back to the student in the class. Let the child ask that question in the class, in the next class. So that's how you need to look at your practices, as you're building the stamina of the child and not testing them while they're doing these practices during the week. So when I click on one of these practices, then let's see how you need to attempt them. We have built the system so that it's for different variety of children that use the portal. It depends on the child's availability during the week or their ability to be curious and do more. For example, here when you see 4 of them, we are absolutely fine if you do minimum 3 or 2.5. But every week consistency is important. Sometimes some practices might have only 2 of these, but each one inside each question, if I click on it, you can see that there will be around 20 questions. So this is how your practices will look like. When the answer is wrong, it will let you know why it's wrong. So please make sure that if not everything, still try to do minimum 60% every week as a consistent effort by the child. Thank you for listening, and I hope this video gives you an overview about how to access your learning portal and why and how you should do your practices. And when needed, please click on class notes to check your class notes as well, to revise on it and come back to the questions. So it's a quite open system, and it's more transparent, so that parents can help their children when they need some help. And also in the profile, when you scroll down, whatever practices you have done, you can see the results there. We as well will be monitoring the child's progress. That way the puzzle is completed with the effort of the child, the guidance of the parents, and the support of Hunarly. Thank you. Thank you for listening.